All right, so this is office tour. As you see, everything looks really nice, right? Has the different marketing materials, right? They won Best Commercial, Antelope Valley Chambers Commerce, right? In August 25th, 2022, right? Everything looks really nice, right? Really clean and put together. And that's what you would like to see from a cleaning company. A really nice office, right? So, office looks good. Business looks ready to work, take care of their business. So that's what we want for our businesses, right? Business is Minnie Maids, okay? Operating out of Palmdale, California, okay? So home cleaning, things like that, make sure you check them out, right? See what they're offering, you know. Business doing great things. They offer weekly cleaning, monthly cleaning, so you know, all that good stuff. Yeah, make sure you hit them up. They have a beautiful office going, right? All these nice touches, right? Definitely I'm gonna be taking off as a business for sure. This is the grand opening. This is the office tour, right? A lot of awards right here, you know, some really beautiful things going on. So need your cleaning for your home, for your business, things like that. Make sure you hit them up and see what they can do for your business for sure. Make sure you always position yourself to win with your business.
Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champion's Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.